Hello everyone. Today I want to share my views on English grammar topic tenses. Okay, as you know, the tenses are very important in our English grammar. Okay, and tenses are very important in whole classes. If you know the tenses, you write anything, any views in any topic. Okay, like article, report, speech, and anything, any topic. So let us start the topic tenses. First of all, introduction. When we are reading anything, how do we know if the event are happening in the past, present or the possible future? जब भी हम कुछ पढ़ते हैं, as in book, we read a story or an incident, we know only if we have a knowledge of tenses. If the sentence written in the book or any topic is in past, present or future, जो वाक्य हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो पास्ट में है, प्रेजेंट में है या फ्यूचर में है, उस चीज़ का पता तभी चलता है if we have a knowledge of tenses. So first of all, the definition of tense. In grammar, we indicate time by modifying the verb accordingly. These verbs that take up different form to indicate the time of action, event or condition by changing its form are called tense. We indicate time. Indication of time is given in grammar, in sentence. Okay, like that, he speaks the truth. Here speak is a verb, first form of verb. He arrived. From where? He arrived from the school just now. He arrived from the school just now. Arrived is a second form of verb. Now, he has arrived from the school just now. Okay, this is the third form of verb. These are the form of verbs, different forms of verb. As you know, there are three form of verbs. Okay, that indicates the time of action, event or condition by changing its form. Okay, when the form are changed, then it shows the time of action. किसी भी काम का पता, किसी भी इवेंट का पता, किसी भी इंसिडेंट का पता हमें तभी चलता है जब कोई फॉर्म चेंज होती है. ओके, लाइक दैट an accident met on that road. Okay, so it means that it is in past tense. The verb is in it met. Okay, met means हो चुका है, उस रोड पे एक्सीडेंट हुआ है. Okay, like that. So now the division of tenses. Okay, the division of tenses are of three types: present, past or future. Before starting the classification of tenses, I want to tell you the types of sentence. Sentences are of two types: singular or plural. Okay, singular he, she, it, they. Plural we, you, they. Okay. Now, the classification of tenses. I have a small flow chart of classification of tenses. Like that, tenses are of three types: present, past and future. In present, these have also a subparts. Okay, in present, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay. In past, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. And in future, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. These are the sub parts of the tenses. It means that simple present tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense are the four sub parts of tenses. Okay, like that. It means that there are 12 tenses. Now, starting with the present tense. Present tense can be defined as an expression for an activity that is currently in action or in habitually performed. It is used for a state that generally exists or is currently undergoing. Okay, like that. Currently in action, जो काम हो रहा है, जो काम हो रहा है, okay, और in habitually performed, जो हो चुका है, okay, a state that is generally exist, जो और is currently undergoing, जो होने वाला है, okay, और in short, in present tense, the जो काम होने वाला है, जो काम होने वाला है या हो रहा है या हो चुका है, okay, that is called present tense. Now, the rules of simple present tense. Before starting the rules of simple present tense, I want to tell you that simple present tense is also called present indefinite tense. So don't be confused. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस को हम प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस भी कहते हैं. नाउ देयर आर I have to classified it in the sentences. So there are 4 sentences: simple sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and negative interrogative sentence. Okay. Now the rule number 1 is simple sentence. In simple sentence, okay, in simple sentence like that, the rule is subject plus verb first form plus s or es plus object. Okay, मतलब subject as a he, she, it. Okay, and with he, she, it in singular form. In singular form, as I said earlier, singular form में he, she, it का प्रयोग होता है. We used he, she, it in singular form, and in singular form we used s or es with singular form. Okay, subject plus verb first form plus s or es plus object. For example, he speaks German language. Okay, so this sentence is in singular form. Now the rule number 2: subject plus verb first form plus object. In plural form, I said earlier that I, we, you, they is in subject. Okay, and here s or es is not be used. Okay, like they speak Spanish. वे स्पेनिश बोलते हैं. Okay, so these are the simple sentences like that. And here in simple present tense, the first form is used, okay, with in simple present tense. Now the rule number 3: in negative sentences, Here in negative sentences, the use of do and does is must. If we don't use do and does, the sentence is incorrect. Okay. The rule is subject plus do not or does not plus verb first form plus object. Like that, my father does not read newspaper daily. Okay, here subject is my father, does not is helping verb, three former verbs is read, and newspaper daily is object. So negative sentence, in negative sentence the rule is subject plus do not or does not plus verb first form plus object. Now the rule number 4. Interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, do and does come before subject. Do and does come before subject. Okay. Do, does plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Okay. Like that. Does he speak Spanish? Does he speak Spanish? Okay. Like that. Now rule number 5. Interrogative negative sentences. Here the not is used after subject. Do, does, do or does plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. Okay. Now the examples of simple present tense. Before explain the examples of simple present tense, I want to show you the 4 types of sentences. As I said you earlier, simple sentence or affirmative sentence. Simple sentence is also called affirmative sentence. Negative sentence, interrogative sentence, negative interrogative sentence. Now the example of simple present tense. In simple sentence, Raj speaks German. In negative sentence, Raj does not speak German. In interrogative sentence, as I said earlier, that helping verb come before subject. Raj is here subject. Verb is speak. German is object. Does is helping verb. Does Raj speak German? And negative interrogative, does Raj not speak German? Okay. Now, here some important points like that. ही, शी, इट के साथ एस और एस का प्रयोग. वी, यू, दे के साथ एस और एस इज नॉट यूज्ड. ओके. नंबर 2, इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वी यूज. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? ही, शीट के साथ डज नॉट. वी, यू, दे के साथ डू नॉट. ओके. इन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस डू एंड डज कम बिफोर सब्जेक्ट. एज आई सेड यू अर्लियर कि डू और डज किससे पहले आता है? सब्जेक्ट से पहले. डू, डज प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. इन इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस नॉट इज also comes after subject. As you tell earlier, do, does plus subject plus not plus verb first form or plus object. Okay. So this is the simple present. This is the simple present tense. Okay. Now number 2, present continuous tense. The rules of present continuous tense. Rule number 1. In simple sentences, subject here explaining before the rule number 1, I want to tell that here the helping verb we used is rm. Okay. And the 3 form of verbs is first form of verb with ing. Okay. Now the rule number 1 in simple sentence, subject plus is rm plus verb first form plus ing plus object. For example, the girls are dancing in the room. The girls are dancing in the room. Okay. The girls here subject. Are is helping verb. Dancing is 3 form of verb. and object is room. Now the negative sentence. Rule number 2, subject plus is/am plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Here the not is used after helping verb. Okay, like that, the boys are not making a noise in the class. The boys are not making a noise in the class. This is the negative sentence. Negative sentence are those here we used not in the sentence. Okay, now number 3, interrogative sentence. Rule number 3, interrogative sentence. Here, like same that the helping verb is used before subject. Is/am plus subject plus verb form plus ing plus object. Okay, now the example is, are the girls dancing in the room? Like that. Okay, now the examples of present continuous tense. The examples of present continuous tense. Number 1, in simple sentence they are speaking German. In negative sentence they are not speaking German. In interrogative sentence, are they speaking German? It means that are is helping verb, they is subject. Okay, speaking is 3 form of verb with ing. Okay, or German is object, like that. Okay, now the some main points are here. Am is used with only I. Is used as I earlier said that he, she, it is. He, she, it is. Okay, he, she, it is. क्या है ये? He, she, it is singular form. Okay, and we use they is only plural form. So we use he, she, we use is with he, she, it, and we use are with we, you, they. Okay, like that. Now the third one is rules of the rules of present perfect tense. The third one is the rules of present perfect tense, like that. Rule number 1, simple sentence. Before explaining the rules, I want to tell that here the helping verb is has, have with third form. Here the third form is used only in every sentence. Okay, and now in simple sentence, subject plus has, have plus verb plus third form, verb की third form plus object here. Okay, now the sentence is, he has finished his homework. He has finished his homework. This is the example of simple sentence. Okay, now they have finished their homework. This is the example of simple sentence. Okay, now the rule number 2, negative sentences. As I said earlier that negative sentences are that sentences where we used not in the sentence. Now, but here the not is used after the helping verb. Subject plus has and have plus not plus verb third form plus object. Okay, here the subject is I, we, you, they, anything. Okay, now the like example that he has not finished his homework or they have not finished their homework, like that. Okay, here not is used. Rule number 3, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, as I said earlier that helping verb is used before subject. Okay, has, have plus subject plus verb plus third form plus object. This is the rule number 3. Like that, I have taken the example that have they finished their work, like that. Okay, now the examples of present perfect tense. Number 1, simple sentence. The example of simple sentence is he has finished his homework. He has finished his homework. In negative sentence, she has not forgotten her folder. She has not forgotten her folder. In the second example of negative sentence is they have not written 3 letters. They have not written 3 letters. Here see that they subject, have not is helping verb, and not is the indication of negative sentence, and written is okay, written क्या है यहाँ पर? 3 form of verb, 3 letters, object, like that. Interrogative sentence, have they written 3 letters? Okay, here have is used before subject. Okay, like that. Now some main points are that has is used with he, she, it. Have is used with I, we, you, they. Has कहाँ यूज होता है? he, she, it के साथ. Have कहाँ यूज होता है? I, we, you, they के साथ. Okay, like that. Rules of present perfect continuous tense. The 4th one is the rules of present perfect tense. Okay, now before starting here, as I said earlier, that before explaining the rules, I want to say that here the helping verb is used, has been and have been. Verb first form is used here with ing, and here since and for is used. Since and for is used. So rule number 1, simple sentence. Subject plus has and has or have plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus since and for plus object. Subject anything, he, she, it, you, we, they. Okay, has or verb first form plus ing. Okay, like that. Okay, for example, he has been finishing his work since morning. Okay, like that. Another one is negative sentence.